Okay. Before I get to this alert, I just want to say I am new to this jobby, so don't start laughing as I make a mistake, you stupid cunt. Also, that got rid of stupid ass Tom. He was always trying to be the fast one. I'm the fast one now, bitch. Hiya.
Paul, you fucking bitch, what did you just say? You know I'm right next to you.
Oh, hello, Tom. How are you? Good day.
Damn it. You fuckface. Hurry up and tell everyone about the tornado. And you're lucky that this cannot be heard around the United States.
Oh no, you don't. Don't ever say that again. That is very rude. Why don't you take your things? Go somewhere else and shove them up your ass.
You shut the hell up. And get lost, you fucking tornado.
Okay, fine. Whatever.
Fine. The National Weather Service in Clark. Oh wait, I have a cousin named Clark. Wait a minute. This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily of the air. Why am I even working for them? Stop controlling me, you fucking queer Fine.
You're a fucking idiot, you know. Let me do the warning. The National Weather Service in Clark has issued a tornado warning for.
That is it, Tom. I'm so fucking done with you. Take this.
No.
Good luck surviving the tornado, fuckfaces. Noah will have to look for a new voice. Peace out, babies.